Deep in the warm, crystal clear lagoons of French Polynesia, nature creates one of the rarest and most mysterious gems on Earth, the Tahitian black pearl. They shimmer with deep mystery, rich hues of green, purple, blue, and charcoal, all hidden inside a simple oyster. These aren't ordinary pearls. These are Tahitian black pearls, the exotic treasures of the South Pacific that are turning heads in the luxury world. But how do they go from the dark depths of French Polynesia to the red carpets of Hollywood and the vaults of high-end boutiques? They're not just beautiful, they're enigmatic. And when master jewelers transform them into fine jewelry, the result is pure magic. Today, we're revealing the entire journey of these breathtaking gems, from ocean to ornament. This is the fascinating and secretive process of how Tahitian black pearl jewelry is made, and trust us, some of it will definitely surprise you. Let's start with what makes these pearls so special. Unlike classic white pearls, Tahitian pearls are naturally dark, not dyed, not painted. Their mysterious color comes straight from the oyster's biology. Also, unlike most pearls, Tahitian black pearls aren't cultured in Japan or China. They originate in the remote lagoons of French Polynesia, places like Bora Bora, Rangiroa, and the Tuamotu archipelago. They're formed by the Pinctada margaritifera, a black-lipped oyster found in the crystal-clear lagoons of French Polynesia. That name may sound scientific, but this oyster is like the Rolls-Royce of pearl production. And here's the twist. Tahitian pearls aren't just black. They can shimmer in green, aubergine, peacock blue, and even silver, all depending on the oyster's genetics, the lagoon's minerals, and time itself. The unique marine environment, warm waters, clean currents, and nutrient-rich ecosystems plays a key role in producing their deep, shimmering colors. Imagine pearl farmers diving into turquoise waters, surrounded by coral reefs and palm trees. Not a bad day at the office. But don't be fooled. Pearl farming is precision science. Everything begins when a young oyster is raised in special nurseries. These juvenile oysters are cared for in suspended baskets until they grow large enough to handle the big moment, grafting. The grafting process is where human hands meet natural mystery. Technicians are trained for years to perform this surgical procedure with near-microscopic precision. In this delicate process, a trained technician implants a nucleus, usually made of Mississippi mussel shell, and a tiny piece of donor mantle tissue from another oyster. If the graft is even slightly off, the oyster will reject the nucleus, meaning no pearl. But when it's successful, the oyster gets placed in lagoon baskets and suspended in warm tropical waters for 12 to 36 months. While we're relaxing on land, these oysters are busy spinning luxury inside their shells. During this time period, the oyster secretes nacre over the bead, forming a pearl layer by layer. Throughout this time, oysters are cleaned and rotated to promote healthy nacre growth and even coloration. Over the next year or two, the oyster coats the nucleus in layers of nacre, the iridescent substance that forms the pearl. But here's a juicy secret. Not all nacre is equal. Farmers regularly inspect, clean, and even relocate oysters depending on water temperature, algae levels, and current flow. Too much algae? The oyster suffocates. Too little? The pearl won't grow thick enough. It's a balancing act of nature, weather, and human observation, and no two pearls ever turn out exactly alike. After up to 3 years in the water, it's time for the moment of truth, harvesting. Oysters are brought to shore and gently opened by hand. And just like opening a treasure chest, sometimes there's gold, and sometimes it's just rocks. Only about 40% of grafted oysters produce pearls, and fewer than 5% are round and high quality enough for fine jewelry. The rest? Too flat, too blemished, or too odd-shaped, though even those are often used for artistic, irregular-style jewelry. The oyster is often returned to the lagoon to produce another pearl, though future results may vary. Once harvested, each pearl is sorted by size, shape, luster, surface quality, and color overtone. And this is not machine work. This is done by trained eyes, often under natural sunlight. Tahitian pearls range from 8 to 18 millimeters, with larger sizes being far more rare and valuable. Perfectly round pearls are the most sought after, but baroque, which are irregular-shaped pearls, are rising in popularity for their organic feel. The deepest luster, where you can almost see your reflection, is a sign of thick, high-quality nacre. No two Tahitian pearls are exactly alike. Unlike some other pearls, Tahitian black pearls are often left untreated. That deep color? It's natural, not dyed or enhanced. That's part of their luxury appeal. However, a few farms slightly polish or lightly buff the pearls to remove chalky outer layers, but heavy chemical treatments usually a no-go. This commitment to natural beauty is part of what makes Tahitian pearls so desirable and expensive. Before any piece hits the boutique floor, it goes through rigorous quality control. Jewelers check the clasp, polish the setting, and re-examine the pearl's orientation in the mount. The final polish, usually done with ultra-soft chamois leather to bring out the pearl's full shine. From there, it's off to the showroom, where it dazzles under the lights. A true luxury born from a sleepy lagoon and a 3-year gamble. After sorting, the pearls head to the jewelry workshops where designers begin crafting custom settings. With matched pearls in hands, the design process begins. Jewelers sketch and model settings that enhance the pearl's unique color. Unlike white pearls, Tahitian pearls often call for minimalist or high-contrast designs, highlighting their dark beauty. Metals like white gold, yellow gold, and titanium are favored for their ability to accentuate the pearl's natural iridescence. Tahitian pearls are often set in white gold, yellow gold, or platinum to enhance their dark mystique. Designers love playing with contrast, pairing pearls with diamonds, leather, or even rough metals. Modern Tahitian jewelry includes everything from dangling earrings and floating pendants to bold cuffs and high-fashion chokers. Unlike the prim and proper white pearl strand, Tahitian pearls are daring, dramatic, and full of personality. Matching Tahitian pearls for earrings or necklaces is an art in itself. Experts compare pearls under daylight and studio lighting to ensure consistency in tone, overtone, shape, and diameter. Even the tiniest difference in hue can disrupt the visual harmony. This process can take weeks for a single necklace. Settings are crafted by hand from precious metals, often using wax molds or CAD prototypes first. Each bezel, claw, or tension mount is shaped to fit the pearl perfectly, allowing it to appear suspended, glowing, and untouched. Goldsmiths work with extreme precision to balance both protection and visibility. Pearls are delicate. Unlike diamonds, they can't be squeezed or pronged tightly. Jewelers use a gentle adhesive along with custom seating to secure the pearl without damaging its nacre. The angle, rotation, and placement are fine-tuned for optimal visual impact. When done right, the pearl seems to float in place. Once assembled, each piece undergoes multiple stages of polishing and inspection. Pearls are buffed with soft cloths. Metal is polished with micro-abrasives. The whole piece is examined under multiple light sources to ensure the luster sings and the craftsmanship is flawless. Only the finest pieces pass the final test. After inspection, the jewelry is boxed in custom packaging, often ocean-inspired, soft-toned, and elegant. Each Tahitian black pearl piece comes with documentation verifying its origin and quality. Many also include care instructions to maintain the pearl's unique beauty. It's more than jewelry. It's a story in a box. Now let's move on to the best part. 15 fun facts you never knew about Tahitian pearls. Fun fact number 1. Did you know Tahitian black pearls aren't truly black? Despite the name, Tahitian pearls aren't jet black. They actually display a spectrum of colors like green, blue, peacock, silver, and aubergine, depending on lighting and the oyster's nacre layers, making each pearl a tiny natural painting. Number 2. Did you know they're the only naturally dark pearls? Most black pearls on the market are dyed. Tahitian pearls are one of the very few pearl types that are naturally dark thanks to the Pinctada margaritifera oyster. Fun fact number 3. Did you know one oyster can produce multiple pearls? If handled properly, the same oyster can be reused to grow a second or even third pearl after the first is harvested. Number 4. Did you know grafting is like pearl surgery? Pearl technicians train for years to implant the nucleus without harming the oyster, a delicate process that requires surgeon-level precision. Fun fact number 5. Did you know pearls are affected by the weather? Too much rain, cold, or algae in the lagoon can damage the oyster and reduce nacre quality. Pearl farmers monitor the water like meteorologists. Number 6. Did you know each pearl takes years to grow? A single Tahitian pearl can take 18 months to 3 years to fully form, making each one a long-term investment in patience. Fun fact number 7. Did you know Tahitian pearls are eco-friendly? Pearl farming is one of the few luxury industries that improves the environment. Oysters filter and clean the lagoon water while growing pearls. To protect the environment and ensure sustainable practices, farmers must follow government protocols on grafting and water quality. Number 8. Did you know larger pearls are exponentially more rare? Pearls over 15 millimeters in size are extremely rare and dramatically more valuable. Some collectors will pay thousands more for that extra millimeter. Fun fact number 9. Did you know Tahitian pearls are graded by hand? Despite modern technology, the most accurate way to grade pearls is still with the trained human eye under natural light. Number 10. Did you know round pearls are the rarest shape? Perfectly spherical pearls are the hardest to grow. Most pearls come out oval, button-shaped, or baroque. Fun fact number 11. Did you know most pearls are born in French Polynesia? Over 90% of authentic Tahitian black pearls come from the lagoons of French Polynesia, particularly around the Tuamotu and Gambier Islands. Number 12. Did you know each pearl has a fingerprint? No two Tahitian pearls are ever exactly alike. Each has its own color blend, overtone, shape, and luster, making every one unique. Fun fact number 13. Did you know some Tahitian pearls are worth six figures? A flawless, large, round pearl with rare overtone can fetch over $100,000, especially if set in designer jewelry. Number 14. Did you know celebrities love Tahitian pearls? Stars like Angelina Jolie, Rihanna, and Keira Knightley have worn Tahitian pearl jewelry at major fashion events and red carpet premieres. And fun fact number 15. Did you know you can farm pearls without killing oysters? Ethical pearl farms harvest pearls and regraft oysters rather than discarding them, making it a sustainable luxury choice. And there you have it, the mysterious, beautiful, and surprisingly complex journey of a Tahitian black pearl. What looks like a simple gem is really a masterpiece of biology, craftsmanship, and a touch of magic. It's no wonder these pearls are called the queens of the sea. So next time you see that glowing orb of ocean mystery, you'll know the secrets behind it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes stories of how the world's most luxurious items are made.